J-71067-2. This is video number 2. This time we are accessing the drain from the stack cleanout tee located next to the laundry tub. We are out to the main from this access point. The counter is at 102. We're looking at the main appears to be an original clay main, and as we back up we have a 4-inch cast iron lateral. We have just gotten done locating and marking plot points in the yard and in the house to track the path of the drain. Drain piping through this section has pretty good pitch and good flow. Water is a short trickle. No real wave action happening when we surge the camera forward. Here at about 81 to 82 is the downstream end of where we start to have the beginnings of the downstream end of the elevated water, and it will get progressively deeper. If we surge forward here, we have some small wave action happening. I do have a spacer head at the end of the camera during this video to elevate the camera above the water areas to get a better view. Water remains at an elevated level. If we look at the radius of the piping, we're more than a trickle through this section. Now as we continue to go back, the water gets a bit deeper, enough to get over the camera lens, even though the camera has a spacer ring on the end of it to lift it off the pipe a little bit. We have a steady amount of water again flowing at the laundry tub and down the floor drain, both to flush the pipe, keep the camera lens clear, and observe flow characteristics. The camera is at 0 to mimic snaking efforts if those efforts are deemed worthy. Again, we continue to have an elevated level of water through all of this area. It's not visible because the water now at this section gets quite deep, but by means of a locator, right at 38 feet on the counter right here is the correlation point for the main cleanout Y located by the water meter. So main cleanout Y is at 38, and this is a known spot, although we cannot see the Y due to the cooling water. We are now inside. Anything upstream of 38, we are inside the building. We have continuing deep cooling water through this section. We can see if we stop for a moment, we can see how deep the water is. The bottom of the pipe is on the right hand side of the screen. The top of the pipe is on the left. The camera is looking sideways right now. We see a small pocket of air at the top, but you can see from the radius of the pipe that means that the water is filling the pipe in this area, probably 90 to 95% of the depth of the pipe. So we have a pretty significant back pitch or belly or sag, whatever you want to call it, through here. You can continue to see between the particles the air pockets off to the left, sediment at the bottom of the pipe off to the right. Prior to cameraing this section, we had quite a large debris ball of toilet paper and other solids sitting in the pipe here, due to most likely due to pitch deficiency on the pipe. Deep cooling water continues. Again, we can see the air pocket off to the left and upper left of the screen. Bottom of the pipe is slowly twisting to be the down part of the screen. Now as we continue backward, we're starting to emerge out of the water back to a relative normalized pipe, but still cooling water. We have a Y connection off to the right, which is where the laundry tub Y's in. Pretty sure we have a Y on its back. The run of the Y is heading over to the floor drain. So again, accessing the stack. Laundry tub drain is on the other side of the water meter. Floor drain is back behind us, and the water meter and main clean out are that direction.